I had so much fun making today's project. So earlier this week, I showed you the simple shapes that went with my America transfer that I picked up. And now I'm going to show you the other pieces in that. There's 12 pieces all together. So there's the America, which is what we're gonna work with today, and we're gonna use the same technique. Sticky side up, you press those letters on and you flip it over and you're ready to paste. And we're also gonna use the eagle and the banner. So now I couldn't decide between blue and red. I was gonna alternate every other, but I decided to go ahead and get a little messy today. So I went ahead and I did candy apple red on top and I did cadet on the bottom. Then I came through with my finger, which was dipped right in my water bath to get it a little bit wet. And I just rubbed those colors together to kind of help blend them a little bit. I love the way this turned out. Easy as pie, right? Easy as pie, ha. So now I'm going to come through, now that I have the America part done, I'm going to come through and I'm going to do this little Home of the Brave banner in just a black ink. And I'm also going to do the eagle in just a black ink. And I love the detail that this eagle has. Hold on until you guys see this. So we go ahead and we do the black, and I did the black just because the surface is also black, so I really wanted that America to stick out. This is super cute because with these simple shapes, you can put them wherever you want. So I took some time here and I just kind of spaced out everything. While I'm doing this, take a look at that eagle, guys. Is he not absolutely stunning with all of those details? Now, you guys saw me use these stars earlier this week on that picture frame. I have decided that I didn't really want to use that banner on the sign, but I wanted to pull those really adorable stars in. So actually in this video, you can see all 12 shapes that come in this simple shape pack. I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and I'm gonna glue these wooden shapes right onto that wooden surface that I have found. And there it is, easy as pie. Make sure everything's nice and tight. This is actually a hanger, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang it, but I wanted to show you guys that blending effect through the middle. It is so much fun. If you have not tried it, make sure that you try it. It's so simple. Doesn't that look great? Thanks so much for watching, guys.